obvious they were going to him. Great job defending. Oh, look at Vide go in for the two-handed jam. Talk about the play. 27-12. Nice turn, Vide. Viditis really making a nuisance of himself with his length. And look at Vide get in. He just looks like a different. This is where he's good. Lightning quick in the middle of the floor. Pulls up in the lane. The big possession here for Slow. Oh, nice play, Vide. Oh my goodness. Vide for three. This is Slovenia off and running. They don't call the foul. Oh, and Vide gets the foul call. Vide goes off 1 foot and ties it. Here they get the steal, though. Alert play by Vide. Vukic, who has the foul trouble, obviously. Vide pulls up at the strike. He's just got some smooth play. Look at that. 45 remaining in the third. Vide again, little runner.